Alright, John. This is what I was trying to explain to you about cleaning your crank. You see, mine's all mine's shitted up. I've just changed the tyre and that. This is the spray that I was telling you about, because I don't think you really got what I was trying to tell you. This is the proper way of maintaining a bike. And this is dry lubricant, and I got this off eBay. I also got this off eBay as well. You watch what happens when I spray this stuff on this thing. This is what I was trying to tell you about, mate, because you do a lot of miles on your bike. And look, I'll show you. Look. Can you see that? And the brakes as well. I'll bring the light over here so you can see. You're not meant to use WD-40. I'm a serious bike builder. You know, I put this bike together myself. Everything you see, every the lines, the cables, the crank, the Holotech system. The brake. This is brake cleaner. So, but yeah, can you see the difference? Can you see how can you see how silver that is now? Yeah, that's how you meant to be. That's how you meant to maintain your bike, because you don't want all that gunk on your chain. You don't want, and WD-40 attracts dirt to your cogs. You don't want that. If you want to, you do a lot of miles on your bike, this is how you do it. You can get proper bike lube as well. Just trying to open this up. I was trying to open this fucking lid up. You see how clean the chain is. You see how clean the chain is. Just a bit of the derailleur. This can's nearly dead now. But it takes. This is what you use on cars. This is the brake discs, the pads. This is the hydraulic brakes. Shit, this can's dead now. Just a little bit of spray lube. Can you see how clean that is? And then a little bit of, this is dry lube. Because what it is, dry lube doesn't attract all the crap and shit. That's how you do it. That's how you maintain a bike properly, John. That is, you don't use WD-40 really. You're not meant to. You're not meant to really use oil, really, because it just attracts all the crap and shit, and it isn't good for the thing. But yeah, you can see my this is my gear cable. It's all enclosed because the original gears were segregated, and they used to run underneath here with a plastic guide. it was a shit design. And I thought hard and long and hard how I was going to do it. And the bike bloke basically I did get a little bit of help. A bike bloke told me how to do it, and I just done it, and I just done it myself. So it took me it took me about 5-6 hours to transfer everything from one bike to another, and to think carefully. Obviously, because I've got two completely different bikes, how all the parts were going to fit, and it was running the gear cable different directions, and my rear derailleur is on the inside of the bike instead of the outside. I don't know if you can see, but I'll show you. You see my derailleur, my rear caliper is on the inside instead of the outside. So I had to, but my original derailleur, my original rear calipers fit straight on. Just had to think about how I was going to run all the lines properly. So that's it, mate. That's how you do it. That's what you want to do, is get brake cleaner from I got this from eBay. It's just what you use on cars. Look, you use it on cars, but you use it on bikes as well. It's the bollocks, mate. It tell you can't. The grime just falls off with this stuff, man. Honestly, you got to take my advice, John. Honestly, don't use WD-40 because you do more harm than good. I'll catch you later, man. I was out on my. I had to do a few bits, and I thought I'd do a video and show you so you can see for yourself.